Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about Revit architecture ceiling. Ceiling, how to apply on the home, any particular home design, and how to use the ceiling in any home. So ceiling always be create the default level, just like ceiling is apply on the door level. According to door is automatically taking the area in apply the ceiling here. So let's start how to do the ceiling work. Basically, first of all, we have make this home right now. This is the home here. Look at this. This one is everything is available. This door, window, and here you can see that everything. It's here apply. This is the architectural column here to every walls according. This is the plant here. Everything is become the background in predefined components available, door, window, and here you can see that when I get the top view, here this is the drawage. You have get manage any goods taken, so this is the drawage available in every home. So let's again I will show you how to if I get the demo right now. So when first of all how to use the door, basically when I create the any particular door here, this one, and also create in this point. So they are the two different here you can see that door it's make right now. When I get turned from particular, this is the maximum height, so I get reduce. So select this particular wall and go to property. Here you can see that property and down direction. Go to property and change the height. When I get 44,000, so we will provide 4,000. So it is reduce the height in diagram. So it means this room has one door here, this room is one door here, and also get here. So there are the many different here you can see that. And how to get apply the ceiling basically. So ceiling, it means just above on door it is provide the ceiling like, right? So let's how to do the ceiling. Basically here the ceiling, when get enter the ceiling right now, and always choose from top plane. This is the top plane, because here you can see that not in a apply any ceiling level. So means you have there are the many different types of ceilings available, 6 by 6, 612. So do whatever it's need for our project here. So let's here you can see that not properly visible, so let's go. This is top view. When I go to drag and click this here and just apply the, look at this one is apply in ceiling here. This is directly click only the position, it is apply the ceiling. So ceiling, it means the easy way of create in ceiling right now. So there are the many different types of ceiling available. When let's move in 3D way. So see, ceiling has been just create in our door, just level on the door. If I get the manage for ceiling height, width, length, so easy editable for the ceiling here. So then after this is the ceiling is applied just above on door. When I get remove here and move right now, this one is adjustment. Then after I will go to use the roof here. This is roof, when different types of roof available. It is apply the roof here and get level and apply the line here. This one, it is click this line and also click this line and get select this line. Then after do this OK here. It is apply the particular home like that. Look at this. This is the here you can see that, and also get you can properly visible for every columns like that. So now let's again show you the another model for Revit design and directly apply the ceiling here. So when let's go for I have already developed this design. When just go to open in Revit Architect. So here you can see that this is the model is predefined here, and just go to open and save file. So here move some where in this component, and I go to top plane. Is drag from top plane. Here you can see the top plane and directly apply the ceiling here. This is the ceiling right now. When I get the ceiling and just look at here, when I get here and put down our mouse cursor, set up in center for this rectangle. So get enter and just apply the ceiling is directly on whole diagram. So you can see that this is directly apply from whole diagram when I go to apply. So ceiling always be apply from level, just level our door and just above and apply the ceiling structure. So it is very useful for ceiling Revit architecture command. When I get, if you use anything so properly visible, when get again insert this component and here the windows. So everything is possible for our ceiling design. So today has completed this session, and do like and subscribe our channel.